Run the code online or download from codegive.com, link in the description below. In this tutorial, we will walk through an example of using AWS Glue with Python. AWS Glue is a fully managed extract, transform, and load (ETL) service that makes it easy to prepare and load data for analytics. With Glue, you can create and run Python or Scala jobs to extract, transform, and load data from various sources. Before starting this tutorial, you'll need the following. First, you need to set up AWS Glue in your AWS Management Console. Follow the AWS documentation to create a new Glue job, crawler, or development endpoint if you haven't done so already. Create a Python script that defines the logic for your Glue job. For this example, let's create a simple script that reads data from an S3 bucket, applies some transformation, and writes the transformed data to another S3 bucket. Save this script as glue_job.py. Replace your _database_name, your _table_name, source_column, target_column, and S3 / your _bucket / output_path with your actual database, table, column names, and S3 output path. Upload the glue_job.py script to an S3 bucket that AWS Glue can access. Go to the AWS Glue console and create a new Glue job. Provide a name for your job and specify the IAM role that Glue will use to execute the job. In the script path field, provide the path to the Python script you uploaded in step 3. Configure the job properties such as the maximum capacity, worker type, and other settings according to your requirements. Once the job is configured, you can run it from the Glue console. AWS Glue will execute the Python script, which will read data from the specified source, apply transformations, and write the transformed data to the specified destination. Monitor the job execution from the Glue console to track its progress and view any errors or warnings that may occur during execution. In this tutorial, you learned how to create a simple AWS Glue job using Python. You created a Python script to define the job logic, uploaded the script to an S3 bucket, created a Glue job in the AWS Glue console, configured job properties, and executed the job. AWS Glue provides a powerful and scalable platform for ETL tasks, and Python makes it easy to define custom transformations and logic for your Glue jobs. ChatGPT.